so hot. Oh, I feel like it turned a bit of green. Hard to see when it's still wet, guys, so yeah.
Hello.
Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. Today will be the second bleach that I'm gonna do to my hair. So this is the result for the part 1 that I did the first bleach, and it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna mix up the bleach first. Let's go.
I just need to separate the hair.
Yeah, separate and then make ponytails first. I don't have a proper gloves, guys, so I'm just using this one. I'm good to go. This, guys, and then blend them with your hands. Guys, I'm just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and I'm going to wash it with shampoo and conditioner. See ya! Hi guys, so this is the thing. It's colored in here now. I'm gonna leave my hair for another 24 hours again before I'm gonna do the light gray color. I'm so excited, guys. So see ya. Hi guys, so today I'm going to dye my hair light gray. Underneath my hair, the one I bleached twice. So I have my fiance here. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
To divide my hair, separate from the charot. So now we proceed to this side. I know it's not really perfect separation. I'm just gonna bun my hair and then I'm gonna mix the colors and then I'm gonna start dye my hair. I'm just gonna leave the hair dye for 10 minutes and then yeah, dye my hair and then so this is the mixture. 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it up. So it's been 35 minutes, and I think I'm gonna wash my hair now. Oh wow. Oh, I feel like it turned a bit of green. Okay, I'm going to use this as well. This is a silver shampoo. This is also good if you want to have a platinum hair and stuff like that. So yeah, just gonna wash my hair. Hi guys, so I haven't used the silver shampoo yet, but I just want you to see what the color look like. It's kind of like this, but this one is turned brown. So I'm going to do the silver shampoo now and just conditioner. See ya again. Hey guys, so I already did my makeup because I'm going to shoot the thumbnail also for this video. And this is the result, guys, and from last night. So I told you that I'm just gonna air dry my hair. I don't usually use blow dry. See, it's the result. And if you do like this, it's gray. I also use the purple shampoo because that's how you maintain the hair platinum, or so that your hair won't turn into yellowish and the color that you want to achieve will stay that way. That's what you need to use, purple shampoo. So show you the back, guys. So as you can see in here, guys, on the lower is I have a bit of this color, like reddish and this kind of brown. If you see in my past hair tutorials, I did like half red and half blue hair color, and they already grow, and this is the very last piece of them. I was using hair color wax that time, and I'm just gonna put on the description below of the details of that video. But that hair wax, guys, is really like totally amazing if you want hair color for longer period of time. It's kind of like, you know, ombre. It's not that bad, right? So far, guys, my whole experience with bleaching the hair is I don't really have problem at all. I think it's because of the how long you should put it to your hair, or the brand, I think, or the volume. I'm not sure, except that itchiness on the scalp, but that's normal because even before I went to the salon, it's also have itchy on the scalp. Past video that I did a lot of hair color stuff, and usually the maintenance I did for my hair so that they don't really like frizzy and dry and stuff like that. I don't wash my hair every day, and I just shampoo my hair like normal shampoo twice a week. So that's it for today, guys. So if there's anything I left out, I'm just gonna comment down below, or also feel free to ask on the comment section below about my hair stuff, or how to do, or any suggestion what I do next, what hair color and stuff like that. So just comment down below, guys. And just saying that I'm not a professional hairdresser, and I just learn over time from coloring my hair myself for years and reading about it, and learn from YouTube also. I learned from YouTube too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I think see you on my next video, guys. So then that's it, guys. Bye bye, love you all.